Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to do a scope of work and to keep it simple. The goal is to build your business so anybody can do this. So when you come out to the property, you're just going to open up a simple voice recording app. You're literally going to walk through room by room and describe exactly what you want taken out of the property for your demo. Here's an example. We'd come through this living room, we'd simply say we want the carpet taken out, we want the plug plates taken out, we want the fan taken out, and that's about it for this room. The best way to do this we found is then you send it back to your office staff and have them put it in a Google Doc, send it out to your contractors. The whole process should be done in less than an hour. This is a very efficient way to demo or to organize your scope of work as well. Then you come back through the house one more time, room by room, and do a scope of work, being very descriptive, sizes of things, colors, what you're going to put in. That way you have it all at your fingertips. You don't have to come back out to the property except to check on things. When done right, the majority of your time at the property is done on the very front end. The organization, your photos, your sizes, everything is completed. That way you can be more efficient, and the more information you can get to your contractors, the better your project's going to go. Follow me for more tips.